Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Okay, check this. I'm going to show you guys how to change the left blinking light in your Dodge Durango. This is a 2012 Dodge Durango, so I'm going to show you guys. But this is how you can tell if your light needs to be changed, right? So you put the key in ignition. Let the car run for a little bit. You see it there. And you see the blinkings. She's blinking. Then it's gonna say left rear turn signal lamp is out. You can hear it blinking fast. Whenever you hear it blinking like that, that does mean that one of your tail lights are out. Not tail light, one of your blinking lights are out. See, the right side is fine. It's not blinking as crazy. But you can go to the left. So that's how you guys can tell. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to change it. So what I'm gonna be using is the Sylvania light bulb. This one is the model number is 3057. You can get it anywhere, Amazon, Auto Part, Discount, O'Reilly, getting them places. So I'm about to go ahead and change it now. All right guys, yeah, follow me to the back. It's dark outside, so I had to change this now early. So change it right now because we're going on a long trip tomorrow. So I wanted to get out the way, not worry about it tomorrow morning. I'm gonna be real tired. We're packing right now and everything. We should have did this like a week ago. Didn't get a chance to. All right. All right, guys. So what I usually do, I just use like one, not a flathead screwdriver. So here's the light, right? It has two caps here that you got to remove, one here and one here. You got to kind of play with it in order for you to get them off. So you got to kind of wiggle it out. Let me do the bottom first. Okay, so this one came out real easy. So this is one of them. This is the cap here, as you guys can see. One of the little cap. This is the one on top. This one. Oh, this one likes on. Okay, this one's finna play games with me here. So you do gotta kind of play with it a little bit, guys. I'm not telling you to break it, but you can always buy these too online on eBay or Amazon. But I'm not gonna try to break this thing. So what I do is put my hand, grab a little bit, and start twisting it. Right, so this part didn't come out, so I gotta, boom. You just gotta stick this back inside the hole. See, it came out. But remember, when you guys putting it back in, this has to be out. The little funny looking screw thing. Alright, got it out. Alright, let's start trying to pull this out. So you kind of got to wiggle it a little bit in order for you to remove this out, right? So kind of got to play with it, right? Alright, it's about to come out. Come on. There you go. See, guys, it's out. As you guys can see, it is out, right? That's how it looks. So the tail light is on the bottom, right? What you do, you'll move it. You take this one here. That's it. Twist it, whoop, and it should come right out. Just one twist. As you guys can see, the bowl look really dark, and it's definitely out. So what I like to do, I just pull it out, boom, and it come right out. Take the new one. Remember, don't touch the bowl. So you take it, see a little here, and you clip it in. Boop. Like I would use my shirt to touch it. Boom. It just popped right in. Alright, so I'm gonna start the car. When I started, turn the key. As you guys can see, it's working. Now you'll stick it back in here. Boom. And it go right back in. Take it. See it? And I just bloop, push it in. Not too hard again, guys. Once you're done, you take the these little weird things and you stick it in. You actually could take it out, whatever. Take them out, and then you put this back in. Boom. Then you take the one on top, just stick it in. Locks in. Do that with the second one. Stick it in. Boom. And that's it. That's it, guys. And 1, 2, 3. Should take you about like 5 to 10 minutes to remove. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. It's your boy J Techhead. Alright, guys. You guys have a good one.